I would like to begin with a quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He said that results are a byproduct when you mix purpose, hard work and perseverance. Okay? So for this understanding of this purpose, you should know why UPSC Civil Services. Why do you want to clear? Why do you want to attempt civil services? Why do you want to be a civil servant? This should be very clear. Don't be attracted with the lavishness or the power or the prestige that it has. Apart from that, definitely it's a reason for us. In India, it's very high and it's definitely a reason for us. Apart from that, you should know why, for whom you want to do this. I'm telling you this because this journey won't be a smooth road. You would facing roadblocks. There will be highs, there will be lows. I too have cried at night in my alone time. My pillows are also wet. So I have suffered that. We have suffered failures. Just one silly mistakes cost you a whole year of hard work. So you need to be very diligent why you want to clear this examination. And I will be using this why every time. And I would want that if someone of you would want to share why they want to be a civil servant, will be very nice. Any one of you would like to take that initiative? Why you want to be a civil servant? This is a prominent question in any interview board. They will ask you. And this is a make or break question. I'm telling you, this is a make or break question. If you are true, why you want it, you will be able to justify it. Any one of you? Why? Why civil services? You are hearing, you are giving your time here. Such a prestigious time of your life where you could have enjoyed. Your friends might be enjoying somewhere. They would be doing service. They would be earning very good. But you're giving your time here. What is the need for? What is the want? What do you want it? Why do you want it? Anyone? Okay, let me. Definitely. Definitely.
Much more talk about is bureaucracy, that the art of transforming the ideas into policies and the policies into outcomes. This can be done only by civil servants.
True. Big round of applause for. Big round of applause for. This is a true reason. Being an empathetic person, I always tried to help people. I don't know whether I'm being too emotional or thing. I usually connect with people very easily. So helping people in our capacity, it's fine. We can't bring out very large change. But once you get into civil services, now you will be able to bring about significant changes in life of people. And that was my goal. That if I'm able to help someone through my official capacity, that would be really great. First, it would be an example. Secondly, it would transform my life and it would align with my agenda in my life. So that is why I chose civil services.